Hi, welcome back to Language Proficiency for all LP4. Today's word of the day is 鸟. This is the character for 鸟, and this is the pinyin for 鸟. It means bird. It has a total of 5 strokes. The first one is 撇, the second one is 横折钩, third one is 点, fourth one is 竖折折钩, and I'll draw it out to you what each word means in here. So 竖 is just a vertical line. 折 is when you fold. So we're basically folding it to the right side. And then we're 折 again. So we're folding it again. But now this time we're folding it to the bottom. And then 钩 is like a hook. So we hook it up. And when you add it up all together, it's 竖折折钩. So yeah. And then the last one is 横. Now let's write in the character. 撇横折钩撇横折钩点撇横折钩点竖折折钩撇横折钩点竖折折钩横. So yeah, and this is character 鸟. Now let's write it in the grid box. 撇横折钩点竖折折钩横. Let's use it in a sentence. 小鸟在唱歌. It means a little bird is singing. 小鸟在唱歌. 小 means small or little. 鸟 is what we just reviewed, bird. 在 is. 唱歌 is singing. So a bird can't actually be singing because they can't talk, right? But we're saying it as a symbol of when they chirp, it's when they sing. So yeah, 小鸟在唱歌. A little bird is singing. Thank you for watching today's word of the day.